Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scene Tech. I'm going to show you how to make your X account public. This will allow anyone on X to see your post, followers, and profile information. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your X account. Firstly, log into your X account using your username and password on the X website or the X mobile app. Step 2. Access account setting. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or avatar at the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Go to Privacy and Safety setting. In the Settings menu, choose Privacy and Safety. This is where you can control who can see your post and account details. Step 4. Audience and Tagging. In the Privacy and Safety, you see the option called Audience and Tagging. Tap on it. Step 5. Adjust post privacy. Scroll down to the Audience and Tagging section. Look for the option Protect your post. If it's enabled, indicated by a checked box, click on it to disable it. This action will make your post visible to the public. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling the Protect your post option, you might be prompted to confirm your decision. Review the information and confirm that you want to make your account public. Conclusion. And there you have it. Making your X account public is that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell. Drop any questions or other social media topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.